Myntri Rangbah kajala, ukonrat kongkal sangma, hakalai tarik jamang ulapli perda, ya kalempung elekai Meghalaya Games 2022, Hamadan First Ground, jongka SSA Pulau Shillong. Hakajian dan lang Myntri kikam elekai, bak bantai darlengdo, ubalalong kumusembut kongsan. Habai jingkren hak negasngi, Myntri Rangbah ulai ke ïaroh ya ka MSOA, kabla trishitong ban penlong ya kene kelempung, wala hableng bun kijing duna berkijingale, hakaban penkre nakamata ban penlong ya kene kelempung. Myntri Rangbah ula benar-benaru akan negasngi, baik ka Meghalaya Games on penlong man lau senam, beromsyu utang hanong bak Shillong, nrei ban ra'ru, syakiwe kijaka, kumhatura jawai berkiwe-kiwe. Syuakane, nakliang bak bantai doreng do, habakren kum usembut kongsan ula penpau kajing sengudiau. Halor kajing pomla jongka MSOA ban penbiang ya kijinon kam nakamta kine lekai kibalai kendu jinge syoban Sdang kajing lekai lakalong hakabam kadi kijagasa bat kiwe-kiwe kijinon kam. Ula kenturu ya ka MSOA bakadai ban penbait ya ke kebelajia kenang bakum kine kin ongwan jashu hakwi bat kisnam. Hakane gasngi lai dan langru kinong kitkam ka MSOA bakentup nadu working president ba John F. Karchiying ba finally pariat ubrew general secretary ki officer katanat sports and youth affairs kinong kitkam juki state association ki kini kikpa juki nelakai nalor kiwe-kiwe.
I'd like to congratulate and thank the MSOA that has taken this very important step to organize the 4th Meghalaya Games 2022. This has also been done in collaboration or with the entire 50 years of Golden Jubilee celebration of our state. So this is one of the events to mark the 50 years of our statehood. You must have also noticed that in 50 years, this is only the 4th Meghalaya Games. And while I stand and say this out here, it is with a sense of slight concern, but at the same time with a sense of happiness to see that in the last 4.5 years, this is the 2nd Meghalaya Games we are having in spite of the COVID and the pandemic we had, and the 2nd among the 4 in the past 15 years. And that clearly speaks tons about the intention of this government and about the interest and the importance that we give to sports and more importantly to the youth of our state. We have close to 22 lakh individuals who are below the age of 25 today. And it is very important for our state to ensure that we allow these youths to be able to participate in the sports that they love, to be able to even pursue their dreams as sports persons if they do wish to, allow themselves to showcase their talent not just to their association and to their fellow mates, but also to the entire state and the country also. And therefore, with this mindset, this intention, this goal that we have been focusing on ensuring that sports is given utmost importance. And that's why I congratulate the MSOA. I know there are challenges, a lot of challenges. Nothing starts ready-made. It's not that everything is ready and prepared and we just plug and play and we start the games. It's challenging. One must appreciate the fact that MSOA has taken up this challenge along with the Department of Sports to really ensure that the opportunity is given to all of you. This is being done for you. This is being done for the future generation. And therefore I appreciate it. Yes, everything was not perfect. But that's how life is. And let me request them, take it as a sports person. You are a sports person. You are part of the MSOA. We lose sometimes. We fail sometimes. But then we learn from it. We get up and we start walking again. That is what a sports person is. You don't accept defeat. And failure is a part of your life. It is part of sports. And it will become a very important part of your lives. So accept the challenges. Accept the defeat. Learn from it. Become a stronger person. Become a better person. And keep walking and keep running. Sports will teach you in life to be disciplined. I don't know if you noticed, and I did not do it purposely, but I walked into this venue at 10 a.m. precise. Not a minute early, not a minute late. And I don't do it by plan. I promise you, I don't. It is just a second instinct in me, and I'm very proud of this. And I was telling my commissioner secretary, I said it's not about being on time for a program. When this discipline comes into you of being in time for everything, then you ensure that you complete your tasks on time. It ensures that you complete your practice on time. It ensures that you complete your targets on time. Being on time is a good thing. Discipline is a good thing. And it's not just in sports, but it's going to help you throughout your life. And therefore, apart from the many things you will learn, remember that this moment, no matter how small it may be or big it may be, no matter how many challenges you may be facing and difficulties you may be facing, remember that this moment is defining who you will become. This moment is shaping your character. This moment is making you a disciplined person which will help you in every phase of your life. So make sure you enjoy this moment. Learn from it. Become a more disciplined and a better person. And that's my message to all the youngsters who are out here. It's my message to MSOA also. That we will learn, we will become better. I want to tell the athletes that this Meghalaya Games will become an annual event. We will have it every year. Every year. And let me tell you, we have already planned that the next one will be in Tura. The one after that will be in July. The one after that will be in July. Because number one, all of you must be able to travel and see the state. You must be able to see the state. You must appreciate the different people that we have in our state. Number two, when we tell the departments and MSOA that the games will be in Tura or in July, they have to prepare the infrastructure. They are forced to prepare the infrastructure. There will be pressure on everybody, and that's how infrastructure will come up in all locations. So therefore, and more importantly, the athletes of those areas, be it Jente Hills, be it West Khasi Hills, be it Garo Hills, the athletes of those areas also will get an opportunity to play and to compete with the best in the state and also strive to become the best in the state. So these are the objectives with which we will ensure that these Meghalaya Games continue, become an annual event.
Since 2001 and 2004, we are having the national game or Meghalaya game in our state. But I'm very thankful to Honorable Chief Minister because of him, from the department, from the Meghalaya State Olympic Association, as together we approach the office of Honorable Chief Minister to revive again the Meghalaya game after 16 years of gap. To 2020 we had a Meghalaya game. And in this tenure of the MDA government, we having another Meghalaya game today. Why? The question is why? Because our government and myself, we are very much for the sports, to encourage, to improve, and to promote the sports in our state. I want to tell you here, especially for athletes, we need to give them the best to become a success in the sports, to reach to the clear of the mountain. We need to encourage, we need to give them the best. Otherwise, it's better to sit at home if the government and the state association, they are not supporting us. So friends, the objective of the Meghalaya game is, number one, is to provide the opportunities to the athletes of the state. Number two is participate and compete at the highest level in the state. Number three, to boost the moral and lift the overall competitive spirit in the state. And moreover, to bring the state sports association and athletes together. That's why we having another Meghalaya game, which last Meghalaya game was held in 2020 from 17th to 21st February 2020. There are only 14 disciplines, but this time, thanks to all of us, Meghalaya State Olympics and all the association and the government, for increasing of the number from 14 discipline to 19 discipline. So I hope that with this discipline, we have increased from 14 to 19. It will bring out the best of the best to compete in the game.